Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a co-host on Airbnb. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you're gonna need an Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now on your screen, you can see options like explore, wishlist, trips, messages, profile, etc. Well, you have to find the listing from the explore button. On the top there you can see search bar, and there are other various options right below search bar. Just find the listing there. Then what you're gonna do is go to the listing that you want to become a co-host of. Scroll down and there you can see there's a message host option. Just tap on it, then tap on message host option again at the bottom right corner. Now you're gonna have to type in your set of skills and what you can provide and your contact information there. Then ask them if they want someone to co-host their listing. Then all they have to do is, once they answer you, they're gonna have to go to their profile, switch the profile to hosting. Under hosting, they're gonna find listing option right beside calendar. There they're gonna have to open their listing where they want to add you as a co-host. Scroll down, then they can find co-host option right above instant book. Under add details, they're gonna have to add your email ID there. Then you're gonna be successfully added as a co-host. And guys, that's it. That's how you become a co-host on Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.